Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again from their stock pick of the day. It is October 12th. Today we are going to take a look at a dividend aristocrat. This is IBM, been around for a long time. Most of you probably know them. International Business Machines, I believe is what it is. And we will jump right in and take a look. So as I stated, they've been around for a long time. In 1928, a little flashback from the past here, probably before all of us were born. And if you are that old, well, kudos to you. Quickly running up on 100 years of age. Love to hear about that. If you are that old, go ahead and drop a comment down below if you were around whenever the first punch cards came out. And it was used for the census. IBM punch cards became the industry standard for the next 50 years, holding nearly all of the world's known information and enabling large-scale products like the U.S. Census. So you can see the old punch cards here. Obviously, we don't use anything like this anymore. Much more sophisticated than this, and it is a little funny to think that this is how a big company like IBM, technology company like IBM, got started, with just old punch cards. And then if you think they haven't been doing anything lately, I think you'd be wrong. 2021, the world's first 2-nanometer chip with 50 billion transistors on a fingernail-sized chip, the most dense to date. This innovation holds the potential for greener data centers and safer autonomous vehicles. Some of their products and solutions that they're involved with, top products and platform industries. So they are involved in artificial intelligence, the blockchain, business operations, cloud computing, data analytics, a hybrid cloud, IT infrastructure, a lot of IT infrastructure actually, security, and they have their hands in the supply chain. And as we saw, they're probably in autonomous vehicles as well with their new chips. And if you want to know more about them, check them out at www.ibm.com. Pretty interesting. They do go through their history from 1928 to current news. And the reason we are taking a look at them, they are down on the day, 0.16%. Not down extremely amount, but definitely down where I was buying them last year. I don't currently have a position. You'll see that here in a moment. But this is actually about where I was buying them last year, 117.61. They are starting to look attractive to me again. 52-week range as low as $114.56, as high as $144.73. Volume, average volume is 4.6 million. Looks like they were at 2.69 today, so a little lower volume than average. Market cap of 105.416 billion. They do have a beta of 0.83, so they are less volatile than the overall market. Looks like a nice downtrend throughout the day here. We are talking about International Business Machines Corporation, ticker IBM, out of the information technology sector. Looks like they were actually up a little bit in the after hours here. That's what this is showing you. They have a PE ratio of 19.32. I'd like to see it a little lower, but might not get too much lower unless they break through their 52-week low here. They have an earnings per share of $6.09. Like that. Next earnings date is October 18th. Forward dividend is $6.60 paid out in the year. They do pay out quarterly, so divide by 4. That would tell you your quarterly payout. And a very nice dividend yield of 5.60%. Last ex-dividend date was last month on the 9th, August 9th. And the one-year target estimate, at least according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, of $140.68, which speaks to some potential upside price appreciation in the stock. Now let's jump over to stockanalysis.com, where I pulled this information, another one I'm not affiliated with, just somewhere I like to go for information. They call it a consensus buy, according to the 24 stock analysts they've had look at this. They have a low estimate of $116.15, so they do see some further potential pullback, maybe closer to that 52-week low here. An average of $145.89. That's real close to what we saw on the previous slide that Yahoo Finance had them at, which would be a 24.06% increase in stock price. And if it happened to hit the high of their estimate here, $171.15, that would be a 45.54% stock price appreciation. All the while, you would be collecting that 5.6, nearly 6% dividend along the way. Here's where I would typically show you my position. Again, I don't have my position. I sold my position in IBM in the 120s, high 120s, just under 130, I believe. I'd have to go back and look, but right in that area. And again, I was buying this stock last year around $116, $117, $118 per share. They also did a spinoff, so I bought them for the spinoff. Ended up selling the spinoff last year as well. Well, that is it. No update on the pool today. We had some rain. They're waiting on some nicer weather to be able to pour this concrete around the pool here, so hopefully tomorrow we'll see nicer weather and they can start. Actually, the coping stone will go in first, and then they'll pour the concrete. But can't do either with it raining here. So a little rain today knocked us a little bit behind schedule, but that's been the way it's gone all year for me. So it is what it is. Well, these are quick hitters, so I will leave it at that. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Join me on this journey to financial freedom. Hopefully you are on your own journey to financial freedom as well. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of IBM. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Love to hear your opinion. Again, would like to create a network of individuals on this channel sharing their opinion on stocks, what they feel valuations are. I'm not the smartest guy in the room, so definitely share your opinions out there. Now, maybe there's some stocks you like better than IBM. Microsoft's one that I like better than IBM if it gets a little lower into my cost basis there. And I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop that down below as well. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're having a great week, and we will see you in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research, invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice counsel of a certified financial advisor.